Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Thursday the 13th of December. So looking at the euro dollar, in fact I'm just going to adjust my little trend line there from the wedge. I mean, it is still in a sort of a wedgy pattern. It's certainly in a consolidation zone. Where to? Well, yesterday I did expect a bit of upside and certainly got it. We got some upside. It could follow through a little bit, looking back towards that daily 50 maybe even more. It's well, back in that original, back above the original trend there at the moment, but it hasn't moved and confirmed too much a positive trend on this time frame. Although 60-minute time frame, we've got high lows, high highs going through there, but it could be quite limited. Now today we do have the ECB meeting, press conference at 1:30 with Draghi, so 12:45 looking out for the main refinancing rate, and then at 1:30 we've got the ECB press conference with Draghi speaking, so it may drag the euro down again. We'll see, but for now it is moving up, looking like it could be pitching up towards not yesterday's highs, Tuesday's highs, and the R1 there at the moment. We'll see what happens, but it's early. It's not 8 o'clock yet, and so, as so often, we may just get into a double top territory where it's going here, near-term double top, and it could all stop. We'll see. But as I said, it has put the beginnings of something more positive there, but I don't expect it to do anything but we'll stay in a range on the bigger time frame. Okay, pound. Unless of course they come out with some real change of plan. The pound on the daily picture, well, bullish engulfing almost yesterday. Didn't quite close above the highs there, but it still put a big old bullish candle in there, and with Prime Minister May being given the vote of confidence, well, that's not changed anything really, has it? In fact, when the vote came out, the pound actually sold off for a short while, but has recovered a bit at the moment, and it looks like it's a bit of dollar weakness as much as anything else running through the markets at this moment. Looking further ahead here, or nearer in even, 60-minute time frame, well, we've got untouched daily pivots here, and I'm just wondering whether these markets will run into some resistance and roll. We'll see. As I said, it's pre 8 o'clock, and often we see a bit of a change post, so it may be just having its morning move. Okay, as the pound at the moment, I still have to be in the bigger side of things, bearish until something's really sorted out with Brexit, but there we go. It isn't to say there won't be rallies. Now dollar yen, it's well, consolidated yesterday's very small ranging day, even less than the previous day there. Could be that it's just exhausted this little move up at the moment, and it may roll back a little bit here. It's started to pitch off, and it rallied back up again through the early parts, the late part of yesterday. This morning, currently it's sort of not quite double topped there, well, sort of double topped, and looks like it's gaining a bit of strength for now. Daily pivot is just below, but it's already been caught anyway, but very range bound, and I wouldn't be surprised if that continues in that mode for now, at least. There's no news out on the yen all day or this week. It's the others that you've got to watch. Aussie dollar, well, we're seeing a little bit of a pitch up here at the moment towards its weekly pivot. It's finally getting there. It looked really weak yesterday, but gradually getting there. Slow process of higher lows, higher highs, and it's working its way to that weekly pivot now. Never broke the lows here. I was looking yesterday in the trading room, was discussing it. But at the moment with this picture, as I say, very slow process of marching up, higher lows and higher highs coming across the tops there. It's got the potential maybe to push up there. However, if it does start selling off, maybe see a decent movement. Canadian dollar, consolidation now, the main theme here pretty much as well. It's within a tightish range this week. It's not seem to want to be able to break out of that. bigger picture, I'm still looking for more upside, but at the moment it's just consolidated, but as many of these currencies even at the moment. Right, there's a little else to be said there. Shorter time frames, it's all over its daily pivot at the moment, and looks a mess for many hours, and then you get a bit of price action later in the US session, or towards the US session. So as I said, main news, there's a bit of Swiss news out this morning for anyone trading Swissy, but side of that, we've got at 12:45 and 1:30, we've got the European data. Don't expect too much of a move at 12:45, but 1:30 we'll no doubt see some volatility. That's it. Have a great day. Bye for now.